So this is where we're going to come out and we're going to wade fish this creek right here. That borders my fiance's property that runs through it. It's beautiful right here. It's very often that you see this creek this pretty. We get so much rain that it stays high. We come here, we go swimming, and we just enjoy ourselves here. So all I'm going to do is just use Beetle Spins. I got a pocket full of them right here. I got some white and black with chartreuse on them and everything. So we got a gold spoon and we got silver spoon Beetle Spins that we're going to work with, that we're going to use and see what we can catch. So I'm going to tie one on and I'll get back with y'all. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, I done caught a fish right here out of the creek. Nice little bream on that Beetle Spin. It's pretty cool. Get him off. Nice little bream. So what we use, that Beetle Spin right there. So we got a 6'6" rod. That's what I'm using. Got a 6 foot rod with a little dowel 2500 reel. Alright, we're going to try this again. Just throw her out there and see what happens. Let her sink down a little bit and just reel her nice and slow. We got some logs and stuff right here. Alright, let's walk in here. We're going to get into water. Man, it's beautiful. Wow. It's cold. Cold little creek. Well, I thought we was going to start off pretty good. Caught that one. right off the bat. Oh, missed him. Just had another little hit. Oh, get out of there. There we go. There's some fish right here in this little pocket. There we go, look. There we go. Yeah. Nice fish. Little creek bream. Pretty. Look at the colors on that thing. It's really pretty. Let's let him go. See if we can't get another one. So this is Cypress Creek that we're fishing right here. That runs in behind the property. Whoops. Slow roll. Alright, let's ease on down. I think we fished this hole pretty good right here. Whoa. Oh. You got a sinkhole right there. You got a little soft. Uh-oh. Oh, we got one. Check this one out, ladies and gentlemen. We talk about fish. Look at that. The bait's bigger than he is. Oh. But there we go. We'll let him go back. And it's been a long time since I've seen this creek this pretty. We actually kayak this creek right here. It goes out into the dead lakes. And we'll get picked up at what's called Nadine's Landing. It's about a half a day trip. Got a bunch of pretty scenery. Got some springs that runs off and feeds into here, into this creek. We got a little bit of a deep hole right up here. We're going to try to work our way to get past this blowdowns. All right. Let's see what we get right here. Whoop, missed him. They're hitting it, but they're missing it. Well. I thought for sure we'd get something out of this hole here. They're just grabbing the tail of it. They ain't doing nothing else but grabbing the tail of it. They can't get it in their mouth. There we go. There we go. There's a nice fish. Nice one. Wow. Look how pretty that is. Yes, sir. I knew we'd get one. We just kept on with it. Here we go. Look how pretty that fish is. Oh, come on. Now settle down. Got that nice red belly. Got them red dots going across it. Nice fish. Beautiful. There you go, buddy. Got one. Check it out, y'all. I got a little bass. Check it out. How cool is this? Wow, how cool is this? There it is, y'all. I knew we'd get one. Wow, check it out. How cool. So I changed the color. Come on, get out of there. There we go. Nice little bass. Caught it right over there at that tree. There you go, buddy. So, changed my color. I went to a white with a gold spinner on it. I had a chartreuse and black on it. So I said, well, let me just try the white with a gold spinner on it. Let's see how that does. So that's what we got. It paid off. I caught that one little bass right there. See if we can't do it again. That was pretty neat. There we are. We got another one. Check it out. Nice little stump knocker. Looks like, yep, that's what that is, a little stump knocker. Whoop. Bye, buddy. Thank you. Appreciate it. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool deal right there. See if we can't do it again. We're gonna make one more cast, then we're gonna call it. Oh, didn't go where I wanted to go. There we go. Alright, well, I guess we can call it on that note. Alright, well, thank y'all for watching Kind of Country Boy Outdoors. If you like this kind of content, please smash that subscribe button, smash the like, and thank you for watching. I appreciate it. So till next time, thank y'all. Catch y'all later.